Instead of y'all be like, Kev, do some sheer work. Kev, do some straight hair. No, listen, I'm tired of that. I'm tired of hearing that. I'm tired of seeing that, okay? Let's switch it over. Let's see if y'all can cut. Hey, especially me doing straight hair, man, this coat is clean. So I did my sheer work. I basically cut like a half an inch off. And right now I'm getting that little textured part for the lineup. You guys will see why I did that after I style his hair. And now to get into the face.
Round 1, fight! Round 2, fight!
quick and easy. Just gotta say, ain't no other YouTubers doing that. Y'all don't got the news coming in y'all shops and y'all studios and stuff. I'm talking heavy today. I'm talking heavy today.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
ass motherfucker. And listen, from now on, don't nobody talk to me directly. You understand? You got business with me. You talk to Huey. Huey, you talk to me. You got it?
All right.
Damn it, never on the phone. You got it?
I got it.
All right. And take them goddamn sunglasses off. Take the goddamn